Also, we are here at Onmarpige Lab. There is a free admission to all from April 8th to June 28th. Okay, so later we will do a watchmaking workshop. It's a free one. And then let's see. So this is the French version. Yay! So we wait a bit. Guys, you can see that building. That is the building where there's a foundation in Geneva for watchmaking. So we will go there in a bit. And then you can see this is the lake. And you can see the fountain. And then we will wait for the watchmaking later. I didn't know that there's Starbucks here.